Hi guys, I wanted to go over everything you need to know about getting an FHA loan, which includes the pros and cons and how it's such a great loan for first-time home buyers. So, if you're not familiar with what's an FHA loan, it's a type of loan for first-time home buyers that is available nationwide across the US, only requires 3.5% down, which is a small down payment compared to a conventional loan. It also has credit score requirements that are pretty low, and it allows you to have a higher debt to income ratio. So you are allowed to have debts like credit cards, student loans, personal loan, up to 45%, including your mortgage. So here are some of the pros of getting an FHA loan. First of all, the credit score requirements are pretty low. As of right now, at this time of the recording, we're in December, last few days of 2020. The credit score requirement right now is 620, which is pretty low, right? The down payment requirement is also very low. You can do 3.5% down payment of the purchase price, or you can also do 5%, right? Now, maybe you know or you don't know, but using an FHA loan, you can use it on all types of properties. So yes, you can buy a regular home, but you can also buy a condo, a townhouse, and even a mobile home, which gives you more flexibility when you're looking at housing. Now, another advantage of getting the FHA loan is, since you're putting a small down payment, of course your mortgage payment might be higher than if you were to go conventional and put 20% down, but remind you that after your sixth payment on your house, you can refinance and get rid of the FHA loan and go into a conventional loan. So that's one of the advantages of using FHA. And one aspect of the FHA loan that I really like is, especially buying multi-units like duplex, triplex, fourplex, you can buy a fourplex, live in one unit, rent out the three others, and basically have those tenants pay for your mortgage, which you cannot do on a regular home. Cons of the FHA loan is, obviously, because you're putting less money down, less money towards the house, there are some fees that come associated with that. So yes, you will get an aggressive interest rate, but you do have an MPI, which is a mortgage premium insurance that comes with the FHA loan. And you also have PMI, which is a premium mortgage insurance that is associated with any loan that you're going to use where you're putting less than 20% down. So something to keep in mind, there's two types of insurance on that loan, just to make sure that if you go in default, at least there's some accounts that are able to make payments for you. A factor to take in consideration is, when you're buying with a FHA loan, there is guidelines that need to be met in the type of property that you're going to buy. So if the property is in distress, or there's been a fire, there's a lot of damage, FHA will not allow financing on that property. So you need to have something that is like turnkey, that doesn't need a lot of repairs, that meets the guidelines. Even if it's cosmetic repairs, they will finance it. But like I said, if it's something that is a complete fixer-upper or has been burned down, or there's a lot of damage, then you cannot use FHA. Now, one of the aspect of FHA, which can be seen as a con, but I also see it as a pro, is that there is a limit per county. So there's purchase limit using the FHA loan per county. So recently we've seen a raise of the FHA limits for San Bernardino, LA, Orange County, San Diego, Riverside. all of that, all of those counties have seen some raises. I know in San Diego, it's about $822,000 purchase using the FHA loan. LA is around 700, and San Bernardino and Riverside, they're still in the high 400. So there is limits into how much you can purchase using the FHA loan. Obviously, if you're looking to purchase a bigger home or your dream home, then you might consider going to conventional, which will allow you to have a higher purchase price versus FHA, which you can still put 5% down with conventional and buy the bigger home. Now, overall, I am a true believer that FHA is a great loan program, and because I have used it myself, I am using it as of right now because it allows you to go with a lower down payment, which you still need to show that you're going to be living in the property. So something to remember. And then you put less money up front and you can refinance in the future. And it doesn't change anything if you use conventional or FHA. All that it changes is your mortgage payment. So I hope you enjoy this. I hope it was enough explanation. I do believe FHA is great. Conventional loan allow you to have a lower mortgage payment because you're putting more money up front. That's basically the major difference between FHA and conventional. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.